Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to remove the suggested from Messenger. So if Messenger is suggesting you some people but you just want to remove it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. So the first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to remove the suggested from Messenger. Secondly, you just need to open Messenger app on a device, and this is the home page of Messenger where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the chats with the people you have done over here. So from here, click on the option which is Ask Meta AI or Search, and here you will see the option of suggested like this. So these are the people suggested on the by contact based on your search history or from your contacts or from your Facebook interaction. The thing is that Messenger doesn't allow completely turning off the suggested contacts, but clearing the recent searches can help you. So if you see the option of clear edit at the very top right from here, and if you click on it and click on the option of clear all at the very top right, you'll be able to remove most of it from your suggested page. So that's it. That's how you can remove the suggested from Messenger. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.